Hello everyone, welcome to a new video in our course Basics of School Curriculum. In this video, we will study one of the functional approach, which is problem solving approach. This approach plays a big role in the student life because it helps them to overcome different kind of problems they face and find a new and creative solutions for these problems. At the beginning, I want you to differentiate between scientific method or inquiry and problem solving. Scientific method tries to answer a question about a natural phenomenon, but problem solving tries to overcome an obstacle in a real life situation. If you design a product or a technology when you solve a problem, then you are doing what we call engineering design. Problem solving is defined as a set of options carried out by the individual using the information and knowledge he has previously learned and the skills he has acquired in overcoming an unfamiliar situation and in controlling it and reaching a solution to it. What are the steps you have to follow to solve a problem? There are a number of steps that can be followed when facing a problem situation, which are summarized as follows. The first step is identifying the problem. To identify the problem, you have to study and understand the element of the problem and determine the elements of the desired situation. The second step is collecting information. You have to use different resources to collect information about this problem and determine the missing information. The third step is imposing assumptions to solve the problem. In this step, you generate preliminary ideas and conclusions to solve this problem. The fourth step is testing the assumptions. In this step, you analyze the proposed ideas and you choose the best ones in light of certain criteria being determined. You verify which assumptions are correct. The last step is arriving at a solution. You overcome the obstacles in the situation and you evaluate the results in light of your desired goals. And the presented example shows you how to use the steps of problem solving to solve a car problem. Now let's talk about how to use the problem solving as an approach in building the science curriculum. The problem-solving approach is defined as an approach that depends on the activity and positivity of the learner in acquiring educational experiences by identifying the problem he faces and trying to search logical solution through what the learner acquires of mental skills that are practiced in implementing a plan to solve this problem. This plan starts from feeling the problem, identifying it, collecting data and information about the problem, imposing hypotheses, testing their validity, and arriving at a solution to the problem. What are the objectives of the problem-solving approach? The problem-solving approach tries to achieve the following objectives. Transferring the center of the educational process from the teacher to the learner. This approach makes mental operations a goal of the educational process rather than mere knowledge. Emphasizes on questions, not answers, but how to find those answers. This approach views the educational process as a continuous process. Why we have to use this approach in building the science curriculum? Learning through this approach makes the learner able to accept new experiences detection, research, and investigations. This approach is compatible with life as it prepares the learner to face the problems of life and how he can find solutions to this problem in light of his experiences. This approach develops the talents and skills of learners, such as critical thinking and innovative thinking, which are skills related to the ability to think and in solving problems. This approach is concerned with studying current issues and events, which increases the learner's ability to confront them and achieve educational goals.